Won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vidy. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And today we're going to be doing is a thumbnail tutorial. I'm just going back to part 1 to get started. And right now I'm just trying to find the correct size for it, and then now I'm just going to choose my background for it of my thumbnail. And the links will be on the description below, the apps I would use and the downloads I would use to be able to create my unique thumbnails. Alright, once I've gotten my background, I've chosen that I've already had in my photo album. I'm gonna go ahead and decide which ones should be good. Oh yeah, that one looks cute, doesn't it? Have you guys seen the first video tutorial how I make my videos? Go check that out, and go check out my YouTube 101 playlist. I have everything if you guys are ever curious on how you make your videos, how you make the intros, outros, and of course this one, your thumbnails. And I'll be posting more ideas of YouTube help I can help you guys. If you guys have any requests, please put that down in the comment below. I'm just grabbing one of those pieces to be able to size it in there for the picture, and it's just a little preview I'm trying to make to get people's attention. Like this thumbnail is for the outro tutorial, so that's my little outro I've made. It's just a picture I've just screenshotted, and I'm just grabbing like puzzle pieces style and just putting it randomly in there. If you guys seen it. Alright, right here I'm just making sure they're all in order, which one should be in front of all the other photos, you know, the layers they do. I'm just making sure they keep staying in order every time, because on this app, it never stays how it should be. Like, it never lets me decide to do it, so at the very end, I gotta make sure they're all correctly layered it all out, you know, blah, blah, blah. Excuse that. I have finally decided to do the next layer, and I love this galaxy layer. It gives it a little nice darkening shadow theme, you know. I just like the purple thing because that's my theme going on, so I try to make sure it comes out really nice. in my thumbnails too, not just so simple. Doesn't it look amazing though? How it just gives it a big difference. Yeah, I got those commercial ads on here a lot. Definitely do. Okay, so since I've finished editing the background images, I shared it straight to Phonto. That I love to use the Phonto app when it comes to fonts. And I got my own fonts on there filed already as well. And I'm just gonna give it my own style to my thumbnail theme. I'm just here, just able to have the fun to be able to move it around, tilt it a bit more, or little kind of small things to make it look how you feel comfortable with, you know? It's really not too much of a biggie when you are thinking creative art in your mind, and that could just show up on a thumbnail, on your video, everywhere, you know? As you can see, I've changed up a different font style just to give it those little small details in there, you know, the little words, and then a certain different font is always good to be able to pop out your main words thumbnail, you know, like the one I just put out, that how to edit outro, and then just throwing it all out, those little things that I'll be discussing in that video. Sometimes that helps too. It's like, oh, if someone's really interested in how do you do this, you put out the main thing they're asking for, but then you put in those little things that they want to see in your video, like a little picture could be, or a little wordings, or just something that could give it a message, like just like how you're wording it out as well in your title. And my thumbnail is complete, so I'm just gonna go quickly and show you guys the website if you guys have not seen them. The website that I've used to be able to use my thumbnail photos, videos, etc. that you could think of when it comes to your editing. I use this pin for that, and I don't know why I said overlay. Are they considered overlay as well? But I don't know. They don't have any movement going on. It's just pictures, like transparent pictures, you know. They're really cute. Oh look, there's that one that I've used already for my last video. If you guys have not seen it, definitely go check it out. But they do got a lot of things going on here as well that people do use to be able to make those outros, videos so unique, thumbnails so unique, like your own mind, whatever you want to use those pieces to be able to make your own thing, to blow everybody's mind, you know. And over here is the fonts that I go to my website and always download stuff that I end up needing to try different fonts here and there. But this is where I get all my fonts at thefonts.com. Alright, you have reached the end of the video, so I'm just gonna end it here. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys for watching, and don't forget, please give it a thumbs up, because I very appreciate you guys as supportive though. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you. You guys have a good, blessed day.